1, go.
Hello, my name is Clementine.
And my name is Clarissa Julia Ross.
Okay, shut up. I'm gonna lick you.
Lisa, shut up yourself.
Smell anything?
You are so stupid.
You shut up, you
Shut up, you stupid.
Alright,
brat.
well, we're gonna talk about our school life. Okay, this is a mystery person. You don't know who these are. You know who these people are. I love Jordan Taylor. He's so sorry. You know? And I don't know who she likes, but Jordan
You
Taylor's
are
saucy.
so weird.
He's saucy!
Jordan Taylor
Saucy.
sounds like a Santa Claus.
He's not no
Ah!
Santa Claus is my baby.
You are truly weird.
You are, because you don't like him, and I do. Oh, and there's some other people that are hot too. Nathan Ross, he's hot too.
My name
And nice, I like him too.
is Clarissa Julia Rothschild.
So is
and I'm an
Leslie
emo
Claire.
creepy girl.
And, Killing Alley, they're all cute.
And Clementine over there smells like feet.
What?
Oh dear. I think I've angered the girl. Oh dear.
I got her!
It's so creepy.
You're creepy little doodle.
You're creepy.
You're weird.
Alright, well let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Let's say in your real voice. Now Caleb, whenever I say go, you have to go. Okay, ready? Set.
Yes.